Hey TikTok family and friends, I said I would make a video to let you guys know that we are safe. Me and my family are marked safe. We have survived the hurricane in Jamaica. We would like to thank you for all your love and concerns and your prayers. Um, but the storm has passed us by. High five. Boom. So let's go, guys. I will come back a little later on in the week and try to update you. Please be patient with me as my phone is broken. So I'm using my backup phone. But again, thank you for all your prayers and your love, guys. You guys be safe out there.